Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel Happy Vibes. Hope you're having a great day so far. Well, my start to a great day is always a good breakfast. I always try to keep it simple yet loaded with nutrition because that's what we need to begin the day with. I love eggs as it is loaded with protein, vitamin D, omega 3, and because of its various nutritional benefits, it helps in weight loss too. Eggs are my favorite when it comes to breakfast. So today, let's learn how to make a very simple yet quick and delicious recipe of egg, Masala Omelette. So friends, without further delay, let's look at the ingredients. You will need 4 eggs, cooking oil, some milk, about 1.5 tablespoon, some chopped onions, bell peppers, green chilies, some chopped tomatoes, spring onion, and here I'm using a seasoning mix of pink Himalayan salt, garlic and black pepper. If you do not have the seasoning, just add some salt, black pepper and use some garlic powder. The portion of the ingredients I'm using here is good for 2 to 3 persons depending on the appetite. I have already cracked the eggs. So now let's add all the ingredients one by one in the bowl. Goes in the eggs, now the seasoning mix, all the chopped vegetables, and here goes in some milk. And now let's mix all the veggies and seasoning with the eggs. You can use a fork or a whisk. I'm using a semi-automatic egg beater. You need to whisk it really well so that all the ingredients are nicely combined. So now that the base for the masala omelette is ready, all we are left with is to fry it. Here I am using a non-stick pan. Add some oil. The oil is heated up. Now let's add the egg mixture into the pan. Cook it on medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now gently scrape the sides and fold the omelette into half. Cook it for another minute. Wow, see how nice and fluffy it is? Our masala omelette is perfectly done. Enjoy it with some bread of your choice or just with some ketchup. This omelette is perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast. You can have it as an evening snack too. And trust me, it's a nice way to make your kids eat all the nutritional veggies and the eggs. So try it today and enjoy with your family. If you liked my video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay connected for regular updates by hitting the bell icon. See you soon.